Hey everyone, Tom Kent here, and in this video what we're going to be doing is quickly withdrawing some money out of my balance. Okay, so there's $117 in income access right now. So to the right of my screen, just if you're wondering, it's my phone. Okay, so we're going to be doing a bit of a special video. Here's my phone, so you guys can see what I can see on my phone. There's just an adapter plugged in, so it's easier to record, so you guys can see my screen, you can see me, and you can hear me as well. So what we're going to be doing is we'll be logging into my Bitcoin wallet. Now for some reason it does say 20 to 10 on my phone. It's actually 2 AM right now. So yeah, I'm not sure really what's going on there. I know my phone does need updating, but that's okay. Just so you guys know, I can't actually see the time on my laptop, I don't think, but it's there, you know. It's probably cut off, I believe, and we're just waiting for the thing to log in. Once that's done, that'll be good. Okay, it's in. So well, Bitcoin's gone down a little bit, but that's okay. At least we're getting paid with income access, right? So you don't really notice it too much. But what I'm going to do is just go and transfers here, transactions here. Let me see. So we're looking for, not that low, payments from income access. So let me just go on to withdrawal history from November the 8th, I believe it was. I think, let's see. Yeah. Okay, so first off, if you look over to my, let's just move my camera over there. Stop. Get rid of that. If you look over to my right side of my screen, and we are looking for, help if I'm in the right wallet. So Ethereum, okay, so $44 on the 8th of November. So I look for the 8th of November, I look at here. $44, value when received was 60. When was this? November the 8th. Is that the right one? I think Ethereum shot up, or shot down at least, maybe. Currently, anyway. So anyway, I've got the payment, which is great. It's to OX95E, OX95E. Okay, so that's that one. Then we jump over back to the Bitcoin wallet, and we shall go to, where is it? Here we go. So 74. So please, that's what it is. I'm in Australian dollars. That's why it's higher. I just remembered. Let's just change my settings. Yeah, Australian dollars, that's what it was. Okay, so that's better. Right, so $74 on the November the 8th as well. Maybe it was this one. Yeah, so $74 valued. So Bitcoin's gone down. This one for 25, as you can see here. Obviously $4. I'm assuming that is that one for 23. Yep. And as you can see, let me just scroll up a bit faster. You don't want to be seeing this. You want to see the live proofs. Scroll to the top one. More recently, anyway. As long as you know it's been paying. I've been in this company for what? 15 days, I believe now, maybe 16 days. And you know it's paying every single second, literally. You'll see what I mean. So let me just move this down here. Move it there for now. And we'll click on withdraw. Let it load. I'm used to taking 70 out, that's funny. 116.59, okay. So in Bitcoin, this is my Bitcoin address to this wallet. Over to the right side of the screen. Yeah, let's just refresh that. Okay. So as you can see, there's $259 in this account right now. 116 I'm taking out. So request that. Confirm. Let that load. That's been sent. Batch. Now look over to the right side of the screen. And now we wait. There we go. It's on. There we go. It's in. 4 seconds. It literally took 4 seconds to get in. Or 4 seconds ago. 12 seconds ago. So there you go, guys. $114. Let me just go back to the dashboard. So I took out 116. So there's a little fee, but that's okay. That's good. You know, the fees you get with everything. PayPal, you get so many damn fees. Let's put the phone over there for now. But as you can see, it is in there. And there's the proof. It's just pending, which is obviously normal. That's what Bitcoin does. So anyway, guys, let me now talk about compounding, okay? This is how powerful compounding is in the 7% plan. Live support is always great. They're always sending messages. You might see that pop up a few times, but that's okay. Let's try and leave the camera down, but somewhere so you can always see me and see the screen and everything. So sorry about moving it a lot about everywhere. So what am I doing? So I'll be compounding. So let's click your deposits. I've got a total of $1,000 in the 7% plan, which is down here. Excuse me. So which is down here. What I'll be doing now is compounding it. So you click on change. I'll put 50% for now. As you can see, it's been successfully changed. Click return. Let me just pause this a second. I need a drink. 1 moment. And we're back, guys. I'm back. I nearly lost my voice. So there we go. So we've changed that to the 50% compounding. So that will compound every day 50%. Of 7% daily. So for an example, I earn $70 per day on $1,000 for 7% daily. 50% of that $70 is $35. So I'll be earning an extra $35. Not an extra, but it'll be holding the $20 or $35 and be putting it into your plan, okay? So it will build up your total deposit. This is the way you make money. Compounding is definitely the way to make money for sure. So it's always best to either have it in between 50% to 100%. Best advice I can give you is 100% for at least a week, and then you will be rocking it. You need to set a goal, how much you want to build that balance to, and you want to be always hitting your goals, but always make sure you're paying yourself. You've always got to pay yourself. It makes you feel good, and it is a proper business. You know, you want to be paying yourself at least daily, but you've got to take into consideration compounding at the same time. So this will do it automatically for you. The 50% will be stored straight away. So I'm going to be leaving that like that for now, and I will let you know how it goes. I'll be setting goals, I'll be doing videos, and helping everybody to make as much money as they possibly can. Christmas is literally around the corner. We've got to make money. We need to buy gifts. You've got to reach your goals. So anyway, guys, I hope that answered your questions. Make sure you read the post, it's quite important. And yeah, I believe that's it. Let me just log out so you guys can see the last withdrawals. So as you can see, me there, make epic money, $116, which is great. Let's see if that's done yet. This guy got $6. This dude got $388. That was paid with perfect money. As you can see, that pops up again. Let's see. Bitcoin is going down. It's crazy. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. That's crazy. Don't worry, that's good. It means it's real in a way. It's not real, it's Bitcoin, but you know what I mean. It proves it does go down, but it's gonna go back up. It's perfect timing. It's great, really. It just means it'll potentially go up like it did last year. But I'm just babbling now, guys. Let me just see if this is. Yeah, so I've got one confirmation. That's good. Alright, guys, so I think that's about it. If you got any questions, please let me know in the comments or send me a private message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers, guys. Bye.